Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send email campaigns. In the previous video, we have seen how we can connect our own senders, let's say email, with our own domain and send emails. So now in this video, we'll just create a campaign. Go to campaigns, go to email campaigns, create campaign, write the name of the campaign, coming, select your sender, select your recipients, select your subject. In subject, you can include merge tags also, like first name. You can include pre-header and see how the content looks. Click next. You can code your own email content using rich text editor, HTML editor, or block editor. I'll use block editor. I will add few sections like image, text, and divider. Then again some text, image, text. So I'll just use the upload the image over here and update the text over here. I can include merge tags like first name, another image over here. That's it. I've created a template. I just save and quit. Then I can send further test to myself. Let us see how the test looks. You can see this is how the image template looks like. Now I will send the actual email. So I am set the template and sent. So this is completed. So we can see the start. The email is sent to both the person and it is delivered. So we can see the email. It is here and the email looks good. That's how you can send emails and you can see personalization. The first name things coming up. Now we can see more stats around it, like how many person have opened it. One person opened. Performance of the open rate is 50%, and all the stats, top engaged contacts. You can see the clicks, opens, every information will be available in the report. We can also preview the email that was sent. All right, so that's it. Have a good day. Thank you.